and welcome to another thrilling Science Experiments Thursday. So we are on our last activity of our class 2, which is explore properties of matter, or experiment with chemistry. Alright, so the name of this is Groovy Goldenrod. So what I'm going to have you get out is your notebooks, your pen or pencil, and you're going to get your water cup and fill it up about a third of the way, halfway. And then I want you to get these out. There should be 2 of them. You're going to get out the rest of your vinegar. It's about this much. And then your last thing of baking soda. In your kit you got 2 of them. We used them in the last activity. So this is the one that you're going to use for this time. And then, of course, the paper. And so our objective for this activity is to explore acid-base reactions using goldenrod color-changing paper. Alright, so in your notebooks, I want you to write down some observations you're making about these papers. Is it just colored paper? Is there anything different about it? And then I want you to get out your water. Should be about a third of the way full. And get out your baking soda. And gently remove the lid. Gently. Alright, so get out one of these sticks. So one of these sticks is going to go into this water where you're going to add baking soda, and the other stick is going to be used for your vinegar. So don't mix the sticks. So I'm going to pour this in gently. And you can use this and stir it up. You want to stir it up really well. Make sure there's no clumps at all. Alright, so now that you've stirred this up, just so that they're mixed thoroughly, you get this water that has the baking soda, and gently, this is going to be our tester paper. Save this piece of paper for later. You're going to press it against paper. And let's do a couple lines. I'm going to do 3. And notice what happens. Then the next couple minutes. Okay, and so watch this reaction for 1 to 2 minutes. You can pause this video now. For the best results for this, here's just a tip. If you dip the swab so that the tip of the swab touches the bottom of the cup, you'll get better results. So I'm noticing when I'm first putting it down, it's looking orange. The longer we wait, it turns red. So I want you to think about what happened, why this happened, why do you think this happened, and we're going to set these apart. If you have any questions or any observations, write those down in your science notebooks. So set this aside, and now I have you get the other piece of paper, and you get to make your own drawing. You can draw whatever you want. I'm going to draw a cat. And so this is my cat. I'm going to add some whiskers. Kind of hard to do with the swab, but this is my cat. And draw whatever you want. Alright, so after you're done with this, we're going to get back our tester sheet. This one. Let's get that out. And so what I want you to think about is what will happen if we add our vinegar and trace that on top of it. Alright, so now you can get the vinegar and dip it. And I'm going to trace over baking soda. Notice it is sizzling. Have you do this along with me. So it may take a couple tries, but you'll notice that when I put it on, it's red. When I put it on, it is taking the color away. So it's going back to its original color, or at least turning it a little bit of a different color. So I'm going to have you, if you want, you can do that on your picture. It's going to take a couple tries, so I won't do that on your first try. And see, mine is, this line that was right here is pretty much gone. And if you want it to go back to that original color, all you got to do is go back over the baking soda. And it comes back. So the goldenrod color changing paper is an indicator. So you can think of it like a giant strip of yellow litmus paper. However, this paper uses a different type of acid base indicator than blue litmus paper. So red is the base and yellow is the acid. Different indicators turn different colors when exposed to acids and bases. The secret ingredient in the paper is actually a spice called turmeric, which is a natural acid-base indicator. I'm going to show you one more time what it's doing. And if any questions, all you have to do is just write in the comments and I will answer those questions to you. And try not to soak it too much because it can get on your table underneath. But yeah, just have fun with it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment your name so that I know that you have seen this. Any comments you have on what happened or any questions, write them in there. Or if you want to send in a picture of your drawing and what you did, I would love to see those. I will see you next Thursday. Stay safe.